Hey everyone, it's Mike Bond with Hard Money Mike. Today we're going to go over the difference between hard money and private money. What's the difference in cost, loan to values, ease, and where do you find them? The beautiful part of real estate investing is anyone can do this. Anyone can make and create generational wealth and income. The key to all of it is leverage, getting your leverage figured out. The best leverage for each deal is a little bit different. Some deals just need to close fast, so you get them and keep your competition out. Other, you need the best interest rate you can to get the best cash flow. Each has their own uniqueness. You need to figure leverage out so you can get everything in line, understand it, so all you spend your time on now is finding good deals. Today we're going to go over the difference between private money, hard money. You see private money out there all the time. Hard money's been around forever. But what is the difference and how does it help or hinder real estate investing? So hard money versus private money when it comes to credit. How do you qualify? Credit scores on hard money are typically not even a factor. They'll look at your past history, making sure you're not in foreclosure, judgments, anything like that. Private money, it is really score based. If you're not at least a 680 or above, you're going to probably be kicked out in this current market of obtaining private money. So hard money has an advantage when it comes to credit scores and getting into a project. Number two is flexibility. There's all kinds of flexibility that comes with hard money. What does it look like if you have something unique? Maybe you have a land, maybe it's a development, or it's just a unique property, or in a small town. Private money is focused on larger communities, deals that fit in the box, and private money has its purpose and it's great for those kind of deals. But when you're looking for flexibility on a project because maybe it needs a little bit higher loan to value, maybe it's just the uniqueness of the property or where it's located, or just even the size of the loan. Private money does not like to go below 100,000, some even 125,000. Small communities, small deals are still available for under $100,000, or even flexibility. When I talk about flexibility, maybe it is you just need a second to finish a project or get your credit score in line. All of those things are available with hard money. Private money is great for one thing, and that is to buy and sell fix and flips in larger communities when you have money down. Another benefit of hard money over private money is LTVs. On LTVs, if you have a great or find a good deal, hard money can fund up to 100%. Even on the best scenarios, most private money is going to fund at the most 70% of the ARV and 90% of the purchase. There are deals available out there, we see them every week, where someone finds the property and the purchase and the rehab all are under 70% of the after repair value. The beauty of hard money is with those kind of loans, you could fund 100% of it with hard money. Private money is still going to require some money into the transaction on the purchase price. As I mentioned before, markets. Typically hard money is for local communities, local areas, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 states that they're in, but they're not typically national. Private money is focused on the larger markets, the larger communities, and actually they're more national, so they have that benefit over hard money. Private money has the advantage over hard money when you're looking for something that is national in larger communities. Because the other thing is pricing. If you're in a large, Dallas, Denver, Oklahoma City, something like that, and you're looking for the best pricing and you have money down, private money will typically be less expensive than hard money. And it's not on the rates. Rates will go either way, but on the points. Hard money will be anywhere between 2 and 3 points, and the private money should be right around 1.5 max. Also terms. When you're looking at hard money, most hard money lenders are looking for something from 6 to 9 months. Private money will go out 12 to 18 months. So there are advantages, just like I said, for both products. Hard money, flexibility, need to close quick, higher loan to values on really good deals, and not credit score based. Private money, larger deals, longer term deals, better points and cost up front are their advantage. Real estate investing is great. Everyone and anyone, no matter your background, could get into this. We've helped thousands of people over the last 23 years create wealth with real estate. But we also know that you need all kinds of lending. You need small loans, large loans, quick loans, long-term loans. You need all these kind of lenders as you go through your real estate career. You will use one more than the other, but there's always a time for each. Make sure you understand, make sure you get connected, make sure you have 3 or 4 private lenders, hard money lenders, those who will do seconds, bridge loans, close quickly like you need to close in the next few days. Get everything in your toolbox just to make sure you're ready, and all you do is spend your time looking for good deals instead of looking for money. It's really not fun when you find a good deal and you don't have the money because it's a little unique. maybe because it has to close fast. Maybe you don't have the money because it's tied up in another project. And that's where you need hard money. That's where you need something like this in your toolbox. Remember, hard money, private money, they're both great. They're both good for real estate investors. You just need to know which one is right for your particular deal. Lower credit scores because maybe you're using too much of your credit usage at this time. Maybe it's higher loan to values. Maybe you just need to close quick. Hard money. Need something longer term, better closing costs, private money. If you have a deal and you want to look at something that's used for hard money, reach out to us, Mike at Hard Money Mike. Also check out our website. We have a lot of great tools, hardmoneymike.com. They're all free and they'll help you become a better investor.